Hi, this is Easy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find trending audio on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Choosing the perfect audio to accompany your latest Instagram reel is an art, not a science. Still, opting for a trending sound or music clip could provide the boost you need to get your video on the Reels feed for Instagram Explore page. But where to find them? If you always feel like you're chasing the tail end of audio trends on the apps, you've come to the right place. In this video, I will show you how to find trending audio on Instagram. So first of all, of course we have to open our Instagram. Now, you can find trending audio by tap on the search here. Search. Now you can just write on the search bar like trending audio like this. So you can go to the audio, like you can see there is an option like for you, accounts, audio and text. You can tap on audio. So here's all the trending audio on Instagram. Like you can see there is a little arrow trending icon. That means that audio is trending on Instagram. You can use that audio by tap on the audio like that, and you can see there is a note like tells that this audio is trending on this Instagram, and you can use this audio. And you can also search for trending audio by tap on the reels here. You can scroll down, scrolling your reels, and you can see if the audio is trending or not. You can see on the sound or on the audio if there is an icon, little arrow trending like this. Little trending arrow here, it means that audio is trending on Instagram, and you can use that audio by tap on the audio like this and use audio. You can see here is telling that the audio is trending. So that is how to find trending audio on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!